Belly dance engages your abdominal muscles a lot, but visually it's all about relaxed, effortless, sexy movement of your hips. So we'll start with simple exercises to release your hips and lay the foundation for the hip work and steps coordination, crucial for belly dance. Next, we'll be introducing classic belly dance moves as we dance, building on each step by weaving it into graceful and easy-to-remember combinations you can perform on a club dance floor, at a party, or at home as a fitness routine. Our program consists of 48 2 to 3 minute segments. These are small bites, easy to review and meticulously chaptered, so if you need more practice, you can skip back to any point in the program and repeat each segment as many times as needed. On-screen graphics clarify the trajectories of belly dance moves, such as circles, semicircles, and figure eights. Once you understand the mechanics of each step, it's all about having fun practicing it and enjoying the amazing curvy flow of belly dance movement. There are 12 review sections that assemble the combinations you've just learned into mini dance routines, great for practice or performance. Our DVD edition offers a special 25-minute section where you can dance all 12 routines one after another as a review of the entire program. A great tool to refresh your skill as you are going out to dance, or as a toning and energizing fitness routine. You can listen to my voice cues as you dance, or select the music-only option and just relax into the flow of movement. Even if belly dance looks challenging, you can do it. No matter your fitness level, body type, or even if you think of yourself as lacking coordination. It's just a matter of motivation to add a new, intriguing, and sensual facet to your personal image. And belly dance will do this for you. It will bring to the surface and enhance your natural grace until it blossoms into an amazing skill of elegant and sophisticated dance. Also bringing you everyday benefits of beautiful and confident posture, carriage, and body language. Remember that working with video, you're learning at your own pace, so don't focus on challenges, just play and explore. One of the reasons children learn foreign languages easier than adults is because they don't think of learning the language as a challenge, as hard to do. If you need to repeat a step a million times, go ahead and do it. And don't be hard on yourself. You will absolutely get it. Thank you for joining me and happy dancing!